Alright, this is Quentin Almendarez with the Module 3, Assignment 3. And then here, sorry, it's just taking forever. Okay, so up here I have cat command for the Pokemon. Oh, sorry, yeah. For the Pokemon, this isn't separating them. This is just all the cat. This is the one that actually worked. I was messing around before that. And then down here, I'll separate them into the grass. Here's that command. Right here. As you can see, they're all separated into grass. And that is all I have done for this part of the assignment.